everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's short video we're going to be giving more sticker swap shout outs and adding the stickers to the sticker swap sticker wall. I love collecting stickers, giving shout outs and networking with everybody in the amazing woodworking and maker community. Without further ado, let's start giving some shout outs. Got a lot of amazing stickers, and I'd like to start out with South Winds Woodworks. Rustic Harbor Custom Woodworking, established 2020. Graybeard Woodworking, established 2018. Jerry's Birdhouses, nice little sticker there. The Plaid Woodworker, established 2020. Catastrophe Creations, neat logo. Bird Tool Company, and Bird Tool Company was kind enough to send me out a fan pack through Instagram, and they sent me quite a few of their little Bird Tool stickers, some other decals with their logo on it. They sent me some 3D printed birds of their logo for Bird Tool. Really awesome. I really like those. I'll set them around. And then they sent me this awesome t-shirt in my size. Nice blue color there. I'll enjoy wearing that come spring. Thank you for that, Bird Tool Company. More stickers. Maker238, who also has an amazing YouTube channel creating stuff, and evidently he's got a laser engraver or knows someone who has one, because he sent me an acrylic keychain or ornament with his logo on it. Thank you for that, man. I really appreciate it. Pirate's Life, Treasure the Pleasure, a postcard, and also an amazing sticker. Really awesome. My mom gave these to me. Y'all know I love pirates, and she does too. Oops. Got more stickers. Kiwi Wood Shop, established 2019 in San Diego. Salt Life Company, established 2003, Salty Times Ahead. I picked this little sticker up. I love the brand and a lot of their t-shirts. The Den of Tools, really awesome logo there, and this guy does great YouTube videos showing sales at all the big box stores like Lowe's, Home Depot, Harbor Freight, places like that. I highly recommend you checking out his channel. Really awesome stuff there, and always has the insider news on tool information. Tap Plumbing and Heating LLC. Nice holographic sticker there. Wera Tool Rebels. Really nice coat of arms logo there. Tropical Vibes Company. Buffalo Bill Center of the Wild West, celebrating 100 years, 1917 to 2017. Really awesome there. A friend of mine gave me this sticker to put on the wall. 2CW's Custom Woodworks. And All American Maker. That's all the new stickers and stuff I have to show you guys. Right now, let's do what we always do and get all the new and amazing stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. stickers are now up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. I hung up the little keychain from Maker 238 and the postcard over here with some thumbtacks. The Sticker Swap sticker wall is getting full. There's still some room down here on the bottom and also on these other two panels that I added over winter break. Really awesome. I love to see this wall of motivation continue to grow and expand and get bigger. And hopefully I can fill up this whole back wall with nothing but amazing stickers from the woodworking and maker community. As always, if you guys would like to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, I'll be happy to get an Artisan Pirate sticker out to you guys. Just send me a message on social media and I'll get one out to you, and hopefully you guys will send me one or send me a nice trinket or something where I can give a shout out like this for it and add it to the Sticker Swap sticker wall while there's still plenty of room on it. As always, with this type of video, I will leave links to everyone's Instagram page down in the description box below that I can find, so you can go and network with them, chat with them, follow them, subscribe to them, and sticker swap with them. Sticker swapping is mainly done through Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram page, I highly suggest you get one. You can always find me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate and network with me and talk with me about project or what's going on out here in the workshop. That's about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.